Move programs to another drive with a handy tool. Step 1. Enter App Mover function. Click Free Up, then select the App Mover feature. Step 2. Confirm Move Subject. In the new window, click App Mover. If you want to move folders, you can choose Move Folders. Step 3. Select one partition that you want to move applications. In the new window, you will see all partitions, and the number and size of installed programs on every partition will also be displayed. Select one partition where the target programs are stored and click Next. Step 4. Tick apps you want to move. Choose the applications you want to move and select the target location, then click Move. Step 5. Confirm the moving task. In the pop-up window, you need to confirm forcibly closing running applications when moving starts. Click OK to begin the process. Warning: to ensure the apps run properly during the moving, please don't move or delete files by yourself in the source and target directories. Just leave it all to the software. Method 2. Move installed programs to another drive via Settings. Step 1. Press Win and I at the same time to open Settings. Step 2. Click Apps. You can see all installed programs in the Apps and Features list. Step 3. Choose the program you wish to move. Click Move, select another drive to place that program, and click Move to confirm. Warning: this method is not suitable for all programs. If the Move button under the selected programs is grayed out, we suggest you use the first method. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.